Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. In next 3 minutes, I will show you how you can connect your Google Ads campaign with WhatsApp. So whenever a new lead is generated through your Google Ads campaign, towards the lead an instant WhatsApp follow-up message is going to be forwarded. Stay tuned till the end because in next 3 minutes, we are going to create this amazing setup. To create such amazing automations, you need the best automation tool, and Pabbly Connect is the best out of all of them. If you want to access Pabbly Connect or a new tab, search for pabbly.com/connect. Sign up for free from here. After coming to the landing page, you will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the 100 free tasks, you can create the setup right away. Now I've already logged in because I'm already a user. And this is the workflow that I've created. If you want the template of this workflow that I have, check out the workflow link in the description section. My trigger is Google Ads new lead entry form. As soon as a new lead is generated through my Google Ads campaign, I want my trigger should capture the response of that. That is why I've selected the action application and the event. Copy the URL from here and open the form that you have created, your lead form. After that, scroll down till the end of the form and you will come to the lead delivery option where paste the webhook URL in the webhook integration section. For the key, paste the key. Just paste the URL and remove all the data from the front. This is the webhook integration right here. And as now the campaign you're creating is not live yet and you don't know whether the real lead's response will be captured in the trigger or not. So Google Ads has an option of send test data. Click on this send test data button. You will see right over here it says test data sent, and in the trigger you will receive a response of the test lead just like this. This is the phone number, the dummy email address, last name and the first name. If you will receive this response, this means Google Ads is connected to Pabbly Connect. Save this step from here and in your lead form, this URL will be added. Similarly, like the test leads data, the real leads data will be captured in the trigger in the similar order itself. Okay, now we have the leads details. To send the WhatsApp message towards the lead, I will use an amazing software, Pabbly Chatflow, because I manage all the WhatsApp conversations using Pabbly Chatflow, so I have selected it. If you want to learn how you can set up your own Pabbly Chatflow account, how to add all the details, how to access the features of Pabbly Chatflow and how are they going to work, you can check out all the video links added in my description section below for Pabbly Chatflow. Now I have already created the setup. Now we're going to connect Pabbly Chatflow to Pabbly Connect. Now you can see over here my action application is Pabbly Chatflow send text message. I will send a text message towards this lead. That is why I've selected this event. Click on this connect option, go to add new connection, and now you need to provide the token. You will find the token on the API and webhook section of your Pabbly Chatflow account in the settings. So go ahead, generate the token, paste it right here and save the step. Likewise, I've already created the connection, so I'll save the step from here. Now over here, this is the WhatsApp number. Now what I've done with this WhatsApp number is I've mapped the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Add a / previous step will appear in front of you. In the previous step, you will receive the lead's phone number, and as towards this phone number, I want to send the WhatsApp message. I will select the data of the phone number from the previous response, which will make this data mapped. Now whenever a new response will be captured in the previous step of the lead, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this map data so that you don't have to do anything manually. Okay, this is the text that I want to send where I've mapped the data of the name of my lead as well. Okay, and you can see right over here, this is the name. This name will be saved inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. Okay. Now after that, it is asking for the opt-in, which is yes, incoming block is going to be no, and then click on the save and send test request button. As soon as you will do that, you will receive a response just like this with the status as success and message sent to the phone number. And you will see if you open the WhatsApp, you can see right over here, this message has been forwarded as soon as you clicked on the button, and you can see it has the name. Now whenever the lead is going to enter the real name, let's suppose the lead's name is Priya Sharma. So over here the name will be Priya Sharma. Okay, so WhatsApp message is forwarded. This means that Pabbly Chatflow is connected to Pabbly Connect. Our integration between Google Ads and Pabbly Chatflow is completed. Google Ads is successfully connected to WhatsApp. So this is how you create this amazing connection, guys. If you have any questions or doubts, leave the comment in the comment section below. I will respond to all your queries. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.